Oh. What the fuck? Wow. So yeah, the new brake line. Gotta mold it a little bit like the old one, so. So something like that. It's going in. Fast. Got it. Let's see if we can bend this in the clip. Yeah, that sounds good. Right, that's one new brake line.
Fluid.
So, seeing as there's only just a little bit left in the reservoir, we're just gonna fill it up and then pump all the old fluid out. Let's see if we can get some fluid out on this side.
Give me a smaller one. Would be nice if I loosened it instead of tightening it.
Well, let's start pumping again. It's not doing much, is it?
No. Let's try this one.
Looks better.
Getting hot in here.
It's not doing anything.
No.
Should I just pump the brakes?
Yes.
Alright. So let's pump the brake a few times.
Hé, dat komt eruit. Nou pompen. Dus vasthouden. Pompen. Vast.
Pompen. Mooi, vast. Pompen. Vast. Pompen. Vast.
Oh, hoe lang nog?
Ja, dat moet lang hè.
Mijn been is bijna moe, man.
Dit is de vetste, dus er moet aardig wat doorheen. Die oude moet er ook nog uit.
Oh. What the fuck? Wauw. Pompen.
Oh, je wil het eerste beetje zien.
Dat is nasty.
Dat is melk.
Ja, dat is echt melk, ja. Kijk hier. Zie je het?
Ja.
So I don't know what this stuff is, but this is what came out of the brake lines.
Het is precies
Right, so
in beeld.
Right, so let's top it off.
Up.
And then, right, so let's stop the brake fluid off.
Up.
And then, niet steeds doorheen praten.
Top het up toch? Niet off.
Nee, top it off.
Top het op.
Nee,
Top het up.
nee, niet top it up.
Waarom niet?
Nee,
Wil je niet toepen? Tuppen?
je topt iets af.
Nee, de af is eraf.
Right, so let's top the brake fluid off. Then we'll have to torque the rear suspension to spec. Put the tires on. And let's see if it will drive for the first time in 9 years.
Shock absorber lower mounting nut. 80.
Yeah, that's not gonna work. Let's get to the gas station. starts right then. The first drive in 9 years.
We got the bump stop thingy.
Oh yeah, there's still a bump stop behind the wheel. Right, let's try that again.
Yes.
Oh, it rolls.
Got some brakes.
It brakes. Wow.
Steering pump.
Yep. We still got a lot of work to do, but it's driving.